today is about solution of linear equation in one variable. So our target, to find the solution of linear equation in one variable. Next, we have the first problem. Solve for x. X plus 10 equals 12. We are going to use a property. And what is that property? That property is addition property of equality. We will add negative 10 on both sides of the equation. The actual problem is x plus 10 equals 12. In order to eliminate 10, we need to add negative 10, which is the opposite of 10, to both sides of the equation. If we had add the same quantity on both sides of the equation, it doesn't change the value of the equation. So we can cancel 10 and negative 10, bring down x, 12 minus 10 is 2. So our answer is 2. In order to find out whether our answer is correct, we may check the result by substituting the value of x and the original equation. The original equation is x plus 10 equals 12. We will be substituting the value of x. What is the value of x? The value of x is 2. It will become 2 plus 10 equals 12. 2 plus 10 is 12. 12 equals 12. Therefore, our answer is correct. We are in the next number. Solve for x. X minus 8 equals 12. X minus 8 equals 12. What is the opposite of negative 8? The opposite of negative 8 is positive 8. We must eliminate negative 8 on the left side of the equation. So we will add positive 8 on both sides of the equation. We can cancel 8 because 8 minus 8 is 0. So this will become x. So 12 plus 8 is 20. So what is our value for x? The value of x is 20. Now we will check. Going back to the original equation, x minus 8 equals 12, and substituting the value of x in the equation, the value of x is 20. So 20 minus 8 equals 12. 12 equals 12. If this is true, it is understood that our result, the value of x equals 20, is correct. We can proceed with the next number. 2x equals 20. We need to eliminate 2 to solve for x. And how can we eliminate 2? We divide 2 on both sides of the equation. 2x equals 12. That is division property of equality. Dividing this 1 by 2, 2x divided by 2 is x, and dividing 12 by 2, or 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So our value of x is 6. So since x equals 6, 2x means 2 times x, or 2 times 6. What is 2 times 6? That is 12. 12 equals 12. Again, in this particular problem, we use division property of equality. We are in the next number. Solve for y. Negative 8y equals 40. We must eliminate negative 8 in order to solve for y. And to eliminate negative 8, we will divide negative 8 on both sides of the equation. That is division property of equality. Negative 8 divided by negative 8 is positive 1. So 1y. We don't need to write 1. Y is understood as 1y. So we have 40 divided by negative 8 as negative 5. So what is our value of x? The value of y. The value of y is negative 5. Now, we are going to substitute the value of y in the equation. What is the value of y? The value of y is negative 5. Negative 8 times negative 5 is positive 40. 40 equals 40. Since it is correct, our result, y equals negative 5 is correct. We are in the next number. 8y plus 2 equals 50. The first thing that we need to do is to eliminate 2. And how can we eliminate 2? We must get the opposite of 2. What is the opposite of 2? The opposite of 2 is negative 2. We add negative 2 on both sides of the equation. We use a property, and that property is addition property of equality. We cancel 2 plus negative 2, that is 0. We have 8y. So 15 minus 2 is 48. We must eliminate 8. And how can we eliminate 8? We can eliminate 8 by dividing both sides of the equation by 8. 8y divided by 8, we cancel 8, we have y. 48 divided by 8, the answer is 6. So what is our value of y? Our value of y is 8. Going back to the original equation, substitute the value of y in the original equation. What is y? Our y is 6. What is 8 times 6? 8 times 6 is 48, and 48 plus 2 is 50. Therefore, 50 equals 50, and our answer, y equals 6, is correct. We can proceed with the next number. We have 5x plus 1 equals negative 2x plus 50. So 5x plus 1 equals negative 2x plus 50. What is the opposite of 1? The opposite of 1 is negative 1. We add negative 1 on both sides of the equation. What is the opposite of negative 2x? The opposite of negative 2x is positive 2x. We add 2x on both sides of the equation. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 50 minus 1 is 49. We have the given 7x equals 49. Now we need to eliminate 7. How can we eliminate 7? By dividing both sides of the equation by 7. 7x divided by 7, we cancel 7, we have the remaining x, and 49 divided by 7 is 7. So now we will check whether our answer is correct by substituting the value of x in the original equation. What is the original equation? 5x plus 1 equals negative 2x plus 15. What is the value of x? The value of x is 7. 5 times 7 plus 1 minus 2 times 7 plus 50. What is 5 times 7? That is 35. 35 plus 1, the answer is 36. What is negative 2 times 7? Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14 plus 50. This is unlike sign. We subtract. 50 minus 14 is 36. 36 equals 36. Therefore, our answer is correct. Now we have the following exercises. I am giving you 1 minute to answer the following problem. So in answering number 1, think of a number that whenever you add to 6, the result will be equal to 8. Alright? 1 minute only. Can I start? Alright? We can proceed. What is the answer to number 1? What is the value of y? The value of y is, what number must be added to 6 to make it 8? What is the answer? Y equals 2. Now, we are going to divide 3 on both sides of the equation. Dividing 3 on both sides of the equation, we divide this 1 by 3. We also divide this 1 by 3. What is the answer? What is the value of y? y equals negative 7. Now, what is the opposite of 4? The opposite of 4 is negative 4. So 4 plus negative 4, we add here negative 4. Negative 12 plus negative 4 is negative 16. Negative 16 divided by 2, what is the answer? Negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. Now, we will add negative 2c on both sides of the equation. This is negative 2c, negative 2c. 9c minus 2c is 7c. 7c equals 42. And 42 divided by 7. What is the answer? The answer is 6. So, we will add negative b on both sides of the equation. And we will add negative 2 on both sides of the equation. It will become 2b equals 8. If 2b equals 8, what is the value of b? The value of b is 4. Now we will divide negative 12 on both sides of the equation. Negative 12y divided by negative 12 is y. Negative 36 divided by negative 12 is positive 3. Now we are in the last number. So this will become 7p and this will become 35. Negative 7p, then we have positive 35. 35 divided by negative 7. What is the answer? 35 divided by negative 7 is, the answer is it negative 5? All right. So now we are in the next number. So solve the following linear equation. I am giving you again 1 minute to answer the following problem. All right, what is the first answer? Y. What is the value of y? That is 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is, all right, 4. We are in the next number. We divide both sides of the equation by 3. Dividing by 3, dividing by 3. Negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. Next, we need to add negative 4 on both sides of the equation. What is the value of b? The value of b is negative 12. Now we have, all right, it will become 5c is 5. So what is the value of c? The value of c is 1. We are in the next number. We are in problem number 5. We have 2b equals negative 16. If 2b equals negative 16, what is b? b is negative a. Dividing both sides of the equation by negative 30. Negative 90 divided by negative 30. What is the answer? The answer is positive 3. Next we have, it will become 6x equals negative 54. 6x equals negative 54. Therefore, negative 54 divided by 6. What is the answer? All right. Now, we are